Hey, at times, if I dey look all these celebrities like this, I would choose the shit tears. If I dey look from where they from, the time where they don't start to they do this celebrity stuff. If you look back, you could know say these people they don't really work hard. Now look at them today. See Moses Bliss now. So that's him be like person when they chop. Kai, when they cry for section for studio. Hey, now wow. It's well, God will bless our handwork. You must blow. You where they there they watch, you go blow. Because of say those people wey make am today, they no carry to head. So you
my
must
brother,
blow.
Moses, please have fun now. What's happen? You don't finish the song where they record.
Oh boy, they pursue me for studio. They
Pushing you for studio. Say what's happen?
They say I never pay for studio session. Not be say I no go pay. Oh. Instead of them to flog person, they go they pursue person.
Wait. You prefer me them flog you than for you
Yes,
to
make them
pay?
flog me.
Why? Why you want me them
Make
flog
them
you?
flog me, make I record this. So make them flog me. If they think say they're stubborn, me I go show them say I stubborn pass.
Don't worry, my
Say
brother.